Hi, Chris from ICS here. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is trying to get a replacement quote for your heating or air conditioning system. Now, before we get going, I just want to clarify that this is for a replacement only. So if you do not have any air conditioning in your home right now, this does not apply. You would need us to come out and design a system for you. So if you have an existing AC or heating system, combination thereof, this is how you do it. This is how easy it is. Let's get going. Of course, we start by going to www.icshvac.com. That is our website. You will see that huge shopping cart icon. Click on it. You get three choices, either for the products, for the services, or AC and heating systems, New Jersey. This is what you want to pick. Click right on it. All right, let's get rolling. Put your name and phone number in. All right, make sure to put that address in. They'll let us know where you live, of course, and if you are in our service area.
Also, you have a choice between a heating or cooling or heating and cooling system. Please select the appropriate system type.
Choose the approximate size of your home, whether it's a small home or medium or large. Next, where is your unit located? This will determine the difficulty of the job and the type of job it is, so please be accurate describing whether it's in a basement, attic, crawl space, or anywhere else.
For the heating system, make sure to select the appropriate type of fuel, whether it's gas or electric.
And there you have it. It's as easy as that. You get three choices: the good, the better, and the premier. Of course, there's a lot of differentiating factors between the good, the better, the premier. With the good, you have the lowest efficiency that is available out there. With the middle, it's always a two-stage cooling system, and the premier is always an inverter type system. When it comes to heating, it's always single stage, two-stage, and modulating. For more information about the type of AC systems, I have a cool video that you guys can click on and watch. It's called The 3 Types of Residential AC Systems. It'll give you an education about it. And of course, you get better efficiency, you get less noise, and you get better comfort, going from good, better to premier. With each setup, you also have choices of what you want to pick. Upgraded thermostats, upgraded filtration, UV lights, things of that sort. Of course, extended warranty, very important. And just remember, this is not final. So you're going to make your selections. You're going to give your preference of what you want. And of course, you're going to next schedule us to come out there. What happens when we come out there? I'll let you know in a second. So you got your proposal online here. Fantastic, great. You are not an HVAC expert, unfortunately, but this is 99.9% accurate. So if the pricing matches what you are looking for, we go out there. Number one is we make sure that your sizing is correct, the size of the equipment. And we will determine the size of the equipment based on a thing called a manual J calculation, which is a standard in our industry. Number two is we're going to see the complexity of the job, make sure it can happen. The pricing is figured for 99% of the jobs to happen. Of course, not every home is identical. So sometimes there is a unique situation. We will discuss it with you on site. And number three, we will go over all the details that you selected. The project advisor will show up to the house. We will go over all the choices you just made with the thermostat, with the filters, with the UV lights, with the extended warranty. And then if everything is agreeable, we can make you comfortable, we can rock and roll and get you scheduled for installation. With over 30 years of experience in the HVAC market in New York and New Jersey, we consider ourselves the best, the easiest, and the most affordable company to deal with. Let us solve your HVAC problems. Call us at 866-454-5698. Jump online, www.icshvac.com. Get your quote. Easy. Have great results. Easy.